is for nurse, kind as can be. N, nod with me, learning letters peacefully. N, hooray, hooray, learning letters every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our magic.
And
nod with me.
Nod with me. And nod with me. Tiny and Wily step onto a soft, glowing path shaped like the letter N. Each step makes the path gently bob. Wily, the path is moving slowly. It feels calm. That means it's an end day. And nod with me.
Let's nod and follow the path together.
They nod gently as glowing ends float around them.
A cozy nest rests in a tree,
glowing softly.
Hello, little friends, I'm Nest. N is for nest, warm and round.
You look so comfy.
I keep everyone safe and cozy. Try a gentle nod and rest with me.
Tiny and Wily sit quietly and nod.
I feel calm.
Peaceful moments help us grow. Follow the path when you're ready.
The scene shifts to a sparkling ocean. A playful narwhal pops up, splashing gently.
Splash, hello, I'm Narwhal. N is for narwhal, splashing around.
Your horn shines. I move smoothly and slowly. Nod with the waves. Timely sway and nod as waves roll softly. That feels nice. Let the ocean guide you onward. Look! The sky darkens gently, stars appear. A glowing night wraps the scene in calm light. Shh! Hello, friends, I'm Night. And it's for night, peaceful and deep. Everything is quiet. Quiet helps us rest and think. Close your eyes and nod slowly. I feel light, breathe softly and nod. I feel sleepy and safe.
Welcome.
One more friend waits to help you. A gentle nurse appears, smiling warmly. Hello, Tiny and Wily. I'm Nurse, N is for nurse, kind as can be. You make people feel better. Kindness helps everyone rest and heal.
Hello.
A nod and a smile can do so much.
Nice to see you.
Thank you for caring.
Welcome.
Now it's time to celebrate
nice to see
gently.
you.
Soft glowing letter and shapes float like stars. N is for nest.
This is
warm
our nest.
and round. N is for narwhal splashing around. N is for night, peaceful and deep. The N is for night, peaceful and deep. N is for nurse, kind as can be. N nod with me.
Nod together
Everyone
now.
nods softly as the ends glow warmly. We love the letter
And nod with me. Nod with me. Learning
Nod with me.
peacefully. And hooray, hooray. Learning letters every day. N is
Look,
for nest.
this is our
warm
nest.
and round. N is for narwhal splashing around. N is
N
for
is for night.
peaceful and
The
deep.
star.
N is for
N
nurse.
is for
kind as
nurse.
can be.
Nod with me.
Nod with me. Learning
Nod with
letters
me.
peacefully.
Hello, everyone! Welcome to our magical world!
Look, this is our nest.
It's so...
N is for narwhal splashing around.
Wow!
N is for night. The star.
N is for
N
nurse.
is for
kind as
nurse.
can be.
Nod with me.
Nod with me.
Nod with me.
Hello, everyone! Welcome to our magical world! Hello, everyone! Welcome to our magical